Okay, this video will teach you how to install the Kaadas R8. So before the installation, there are three things you have to concern. The first thing is the wire here and the socket here. So the wire here, you cannot be fold like this or anywhere. Fold cannot be do like this. Just remain straight enough. And then there is a black clip here. You can slightly push down, slightly push up. Push up is to unlock the clip here, to easy to put in the wire here. So the wire you have to slide face up, the blue side one face up, and then the metal shiny here face down. Then you put in from here. After the clip is up, right? So you can try to push down the clip here, then slightly pull out. If it cannot be pulled out, then should be okay already. The lock is connected. So the second thing you have to concern is the striker box and the lock gap within here. The gap between striker box and the lock should be within at least 20 mm. At least 20 mm. Then only you can function normally. So the second thing is from this view here, the striker box and the lock should be parallel, which means the height of the striker box and the height of the lock should be the same one. So after that, then only this one count as complete install. Then you can only try to test by just put in the battery. Okay, normal. Now I am in auto mode. So in this mode, normally it can auto lock one, but if it cannot auto lock, you can try to adjust the striker box here, make it closer a bit, or just make it more thicker or thinner. This one can be adjust one. Then if it can close the door, then should be okay already. Then you try to open the door. Okay, wait for the door lock. Now only the lock is complete.